Hey everyone, ever feel like you're drowning? Drowning in to-do lists that never get done, an inbox that's a black hole, and a desk that looks like a war zone? You know that nagging feeling that you're always forgetting something important? Yeah, me too. Or at least I used to, because today we're unlocking the 20 secrets to becoming seriously, effortlessly organized. Not just tidy, but genuinely productive, calm, and in control. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll have a roadmap to transform your chaos into clarity. This isn't just about cleaning up. It's about reclaiming your time, your energy, and your sanity. Let's dive in. First up, the absolute bedrock of organization. 1, write down everything you need to do. Don't trust your memory. Your brain is for generating ideas, not storing every single task. Trying to remember everything is a surefire way to feel overwhelmed and forget crucial details. Practical example, get a dedicated notebook. Use an app like Notion, Todoist, or even just a simple notes app on your phone. Whenever something pops into your head, buy milk, email Sarah back, research new project, jot it down immediately. Don't let it linger in your mental RAM. You'll instantly feel lighter. Building on that, 2, use a planner or a calendar app religiously. This isn't just for appointments, it's for planning your entire week and day. Here's how to do it. At the start of each week, spend 15 to 20 minutes blocking out your key meetings, deadlines, and even personal time. For daily tasks, review your planner each morning. Google Calendar, Apple Calendar, or a physical planner like a bullet journal are excellent tools. The key word here is religiously. Make it a non-negotiable habit. Now, the game changer for daily productivity. 3, start your day by prioritizing your top 3 tasks. Out of that long list you've written down, what absolutely has to get done today? What will move the needle the most? Practical example, before you even check email, identify your top 3. For me, it might be finish video script, client call prep, and workout. Tackle these first. Even if the rest of your day goes sideways, you've accomplished the most important things. All right, let's talk about our environment. 4, declutter your space. Less mess, less stress. A cluttered physical space often leads to a cluttered mind. It's hard to think clearly when you're surrounded by visual noise. Practical example, start small. Pick one drawer, one shelf, or even just your desktop. Ask yourself, have I used this in the last 6 months? Does it serve a purpose? Does it bring me joy? If not, donate, discard, or relocate it. You'll be amazed at the mental clarity that comes with the tidy desk. And for our digital space, 5, sort through emails and delete the junk right away. Your inbox is not a storage facility, it's a processing center. Practical example, adopt the 2-minute rule. If you can deal with an email in 2 minutes or less, reply, archive, delete, do it immediately. For longer tasks, move it to your to-do list and then archive the email. Unsubscribe from newsletters you don't read. Aim for inbox 0, at least once a day. This next one is crucial for both physical and digital files. 6, create a folder system for documents, digital and physical. You shouldn't have to search for more than 30 seconds for any document. Practical example, whether it's your computer's documents folder or a filing cabinet, set up clear, logical categories: finances, work projects, personal admin, recipes. Be consistent. When a new document comes in, it immediately goes into its designated home. Now we get into some smart strategies to optimize your time. 7, batch similar tasks to save time. Switching between different types of tasks like writing, emailing, research is mentally taxing and inefficient. Practical example, Dedicate specific blocks of time to similar activities. For instance, email hour from 9 to 10 a.m., deep work from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m., admin tasks after lunch. This minimizes context switching and keeps you focused. This pairs perfectly with 8. Set specific time blocks for focused work. We're talking about focused, uninterrupted time. Practical example, use the Pomodoro technique. 25 minutes of focused work, 5-minute break. During your focus blocks, turn off notifications, close unnecessary tabs, and let others know you're unavailable. You'll be amazed at how much you can achieve. Here's one that seems small, but makes a huge difference. 9. Label everything. Folders, bins, cords, you name it. If you can't tell what it is at a glance, it needs a label. Practical example, get a label maker. Label your file folders, the storage bins in your pantry, even the power cords behind your TV, so you know what belongs to what. It saves endless frustration later. And this one's a tough pill for many, but vital. 10. Stop multitasking. Finish one thing at a time. Multitasking is a myth. You're actually just rapidly switching between tasks, and that kills productivity. Practical example, when you start a task, commit to seeing it through to a logical stopping point before moving on. If you're writing an email, don't jump to check Twitter. If you're doing laundry, finish folding it before starting dinner. Give each task your full attention. Let's get smart with our time. 11. Automate repetitive tasks where possible. Why do something manually if a machine can do it for you? Practical example. Set up auto bill payments. Create email templates for common responses. Use tools like Zapier or IFTTT for simple automations between apps, or even schedule social media posts in advance. A simple visual hack. 12. Use color codes for schedules and files. Your brain processes visual cues much faster than text. Practical example, assign different colors to different projects, clients, or areas of your life in your digital calendar. Use colored folders for different types of documents. Red for urgent, green for personal, blue for work. It helps you grasp information at a glance. For household harmony. 13. Keep a running grocery list in your kitchen. Never stare blankly into the fridge again. Practical example, use a magnetic notepad on the fridge, a whiteboard, or a shared app like AnyList or Google Keep. When you run out of something or realize you need it, add it immediately. Meal planning becomes a breeze. End your day right. 14. Do a quick cleanup before bed each night. Waking up to a tidy space sets a positive tone for your day. Practical example, spend 5 to 10 minutes before bed putting things back where they belong, wiping down counters, and tidying up your desk. It prevents clutter from snowballing and gives you a fresh start every morning. The never lose your keys again rule. 15. Designate a spot for daily essentials, keys, wallet. Practical example, have a specific hook by the door for your keys, a tray for your wallet, and a charging station for your phone. When you come home, these items go there every single time. No more frantic searches. Related to that, 16. Clear your desk at the end of every workday. This signals the end of your workday and prepares you for the next. Practical example, stack papers, put away pens, wipe down your surface. It's a mental reset. You wouldn't leave a messy kitchen after cooking, so why leave a messy workspace? Boost your focus. 17. Use timers to stay on track for each task. This builds urgency and helps you avoid getting sidetracked. Practical example, whether it's for a 25-minute Pomodoro session, a 15-minute email sprint, or a 10-minute break, use a physical timer, your phone, or browser extension. It keeps you accountable. Smart purchases. 18. Invest in storage solutions that actually work for you. Don't just buy bins, buy solutions. Before you buy, measure your space and assess your needs. Do you need drawer dividers, vertical file holders, or clear containers? Choose items that fit your aesthetic and functional requirements, not just whatever's on sale. A powerful boundary. Say no to what doesn't align with your goals. Overcommitment is a fast track to disorganization and burnout. Practical example, before agreeing to a new task, meeting, or social engagement, ask yourself, does this contribute to my priorities? Is this a good use of my limited time? If the answer is no, politely decline. Protect your schedule. Finally, embrace the digital age. Go paperless wherever possible. Scan and save plans. Physical paper creates clutter and can be lost. Practical example, scan important documents, receipts, bills, contracts, and save them to cloud storage like Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive with a clear digital folder structure. Opt for digital statements and bills whenever possible. Reduce the paper influx. So there you have it, 20 actionable strategies to transform your life from chaotic to seriously organized. Remember, organization isn't about perfection, it's about progress. Start small. Pick 1 or 2 tips from this list that resonate with you the most and implement them consistently for the next week. I promise, even small changes can create a ripple effect, leading to a calmer mind, more productivity, and less stress. Which of these tips are you going to implement first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more productivity tips, and share it with anyone who might be drowning in their own chaos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one, hopefully from a much more organized place.